There are moments in life when it feels like everything is falling apart. Dreams seem distant, doors close, opportunities slip away. You look around, and all you see are challenges, setbacks, and unanswered questions. And slowly, hope begins to fade. But deep inside, there's something that refuses to die. A quiet feeling, a whisper, a voice that says, if you just stay positive, if you hold on to optimism, things will get better. The power of inner belief optimism is not denial. It's not pretending everything is fine. It's believing that even in the darkest of nights, a sunrise is still possible. It's knowing that broken doesn't mean finished, that delayed doesn't mean denied, and that struggling doesn't mean you're not strong. Every success story you've ever heard, every person who inspired you, they all went through moments of pain, fear, and failure. The only difference between them and those who gave up, they believed things could work out, and they kept going. Action fueled by positivity. Positivity isn't just a nice idea. It's a daily choice, a decision to rise again, even when your energy is low, to try again, even when failure is fresh, to keep building, even when the world tells you to quit. Optimism doesn't guarantee that life will go as planned, but it prepares you to face whatever comes. It makes you resilient, focused, determined, because when you believe things can change, you stop waiting and start working. You stop doubting and start doing. You stop surviving and start living. The change happens quietly. Sometimes real change doesn't happen with fireworks. It happens in silence, in those quiet mornings where you choose discipline over comfort, in those long nights where you say no to quitting, in the moments nobody sees, but one day everyone will notice. You may not see it yet, but every day you show up, every step you take is changing your life. You're planting seeds in a garden that will bloom. Just not yet. And when the results start to come, when you look back at the struggle, you'll realize it was worth it. And that voice inside you, that tiny whisper of belief, was right all along. Final message, calm, hopeful music fades in. Things don't always go how we expect, but they do tend to go the way they're meant to, for those who never give up. Keep your head high, keep your heart strong, and above all, stay positive, stay optimistic. Not because life is easy, but because you are stronger than anything trying to hold you back. Keep walking, keep growing, because yes, things do work out, for those who never stop believing that they can.